Being part of the iNet Exchange program means that your faulty equipment can be exchanged with a freshly cleaned and calibrated unit ready for immediate use. These exchanges rely on significant faults being detected when an instrument is docked and the data is uploaded to iNet Control. However, you are also able to directly request an exchange for an instrument through iNet Control. To request an exchange, log into your iNet account and then search the serial number in the search bar. This will bring up the instrument summary page. To exchange the instrument, click on the Request Exchange button located on the top right under the Quick Link section. Then fill in the reason for exchange. In this section, you can also add a description or an attachment if needed. For example, you can upload an image if the instrument has been damaged on site. Once finished, click Request Exchange. This will create a replacement request to be actioned by one of the AirMet Scientific iNet support technicians dedicated to iNet Exchange customers. If you are unable to click this button, this may mean that an exchange or support case already exists for this unit. There are two ways you can confirm if a support case already exists. This is by using the iNet Exchange page or via the list of instruments to be returned to ISC. Alternatively, you can always send an email to the AirMet iNet support team with your query for further support. Please ensure when sending an email to always provide the serial number of the instrument to prevent any delays. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.